Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. My name is Brandon. I am one of the assistants here at Hearing Health Center. Today you'll be watching a video of me doing a clean and check on a pair of hearing aids. I'm going to talk about some frequently asked questions that we get about cleaning hearing aids. So sit back, relax, and enjoy. I'll start off by saying that your hearing aids might not look exactly like the hearing aids that I'm cleaning here, as there are many different styles, colors, and things like that that we offer here at Hearing Health Center. Just know that these questions and answers will be as vague as possible so that they'll work for all types of hearing aids. So one of the questions we get most often is how and when should I clean my hearing aids? Is it a daily occurrence, a weekly occurrence, and so on. So you might get different answers depending on which provider you get, but I am in the boat where if it ain't broke, don't fix it. If your hearing aids look clean and are working fine, there might not be a need for you to give it a clean. However, there are some people that like building a routine around cleaning their hearing aids, and that's also totally fine. So minimum, I would say give them a wipe down, change the wax guard maybe once a month, just so that you can stay on top of that. That leads me right into wax guards. Wax guards are the first thing that you should change if you ever are troubleshooting your hearing aid for any reason. 9 times out of 10 when we have patients come into the clinic, they go, my hearing aid's broken, it doesn't work, I charged it, I changed the battery, what's going on? The first question I always ask them is did you change the wax guard? The answer is no. That's the first thing I'll do, and a lot of the times that'll fix the issue. So make sure you stay on top of that. I always say if that gets changed and it's still not working for you, that's when I want you to come visit me. On top of that, the domes or the tips that you'll see at the end might not look like the same ones you'll see in the video. However, you can change those as often as you'd like. We usually recommend people take a month or two to change them, but you can really do that as often as you'd please. Those are the questions we get the most. Thanks for tuning in, y'all. Have a good one.